Okay, so somewhere along the way you ended up with a hole in your knitting. Oops, excuse the cat, just walking through and stretching. Most likely you had a yarn over. You didn't have your yarn in the back when you were knitting or up front when you were purling, and so you ended up with a hole in your knitting. And you didn't notice it when you went back, so you have one more stitch up here than you do down here. And you know, if you're knitting a blanket or something, you don't have to worry about that. There's some cases where you might have to decrease so that you have the right number of stitches. But in this case, what we're just going to worry about is fixing that hole. And how we're going to do that, and I contemplated doing it in a different color yarn so you could see better, but then I was worried that you wouldn't see how well it blended. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it with the same color yarn. Okay, and what we're going to do is basically just fill this hole up with the V's. And you see the V's that are the knit stitches. Here and here, there's a V, there's the V, and we're just gonna make that. So how we're gonna do that is we're gonna go to the bottom of the hole, the first stitch down here. Okay, we're gonna bring our yarn up. And I have just a darning needle. All right, we don't need two lengths of it, two thicknesses, okay. Then I'm just going to go right here to that bottommost V, and I'm just going to come through here, and I'm going to go back down in the hole where I came out of first, and look at that magic. Now, I mean, if you look real closely, you're going to be able to tell that, you know, you squeezed another column in there. But no one's going to look that closely. So if you need to fix, and this is only if you've already bound off, then what you're going to want to do is just weave these ends in the back, weave them in good, in and out. And I like to just kind of zigzag. So I just went up that way. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to go back up and back down. It's going to make that really difficult to pull out. And I'll do the same thing on this side. Okay? And so there's one fix if you've already bound off. I hope this video was helpful to you. This is just one of several videos and posts I have done showing the basics of knitting. If you want to see those posts and the videos associated with them, look down below in the description for the links to the posts. To go directly to the post about fixing holes in knitting, click the little I in the upper right hand corner. And if you'd like to subscribe to Nurse and Nestle and be notified when we publish a new video, click the little nest in the bottom right hand corner. I hope you have a great day and hope this was helpful.